Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. We will continue our lecture in this course about English language. We've spoken in the first lecture about part of speech. Today, we'll speak about the verb tenses. It is important lecture. You need to know that you need to know the tenses of the verb to know the time of happening of story or accident. So we will cover the main tenses of verb in English language in this lecture. There are 12 basic English tenses we will cover in this lecture. The first one, present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, future simple, future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. We will speak about each tense separately, and we will concentrate on the important one in your speaking and writing. So you need to know the tense of verb when you're speaking or uh, in your writing skill. So the first one is present simple. The form of present simple, he, she, or it, plus infinitive, plus third person s. For example, positive statement, I play football. Here, a play is the verb with the tense present. So you are playing football now. You play football. He plays football. Here we know the third person s appears in the end of the verb. She plays football. This is positive statement. So to make these sentences in negative form, this example helps us to show the negative of these examples. The first one, I don't play football. Here, you know, we use the verb do before the main verb play. Here, you don't play football. He doesn't play football. Here we use doesn't because for he, she, it we use does with in the negative statement of simple present. To make any question sentence in the English language in the simple present, we see these examples to help us to understand how to make a question in the simple present. Do I play football? Here we use do with verb play. Do you play football? We use do because the the subject is I and you. Here, does he play football? Does she play football? We see that we use does with he or she. This is for the positive, negative, and question form. Uh, when we can use this tense, we use the present simple tense for activity that happen again and again. This expression every day, sometimes, ever, never are used commonly with this tense. I go to school by bike every day. I sometimes have a breakfast in the walk. So the second use, we use it for facts that are always true, such as our planet moves around the sun. The sun rises from the east. الشمس تشرق من الشمس. With the future time expression tomorrow, next week, the present symbol is used for planned future action timetable as well. The, the train leaves at 8:15. They return tonight. So this is for the present tense. The second tense, or the second tense, is the present continuous. What is the form of the present continuous? Verb be, is, are, plus infinitive plus ing. This example shows the form of present continuous in positive statement. I'm, we can, the abbreviation of I'm, like this. Put I'm will be like this. I'm playing football. So after I'm playing football, you are working hard. You are, we can write it like this. He is, we can say it, he is going to library. She is playing basketball. We can say she is playing basketball and write like this. In negative statement, I am not, I am not playing football. You are not, you aren't working hard. So put note, and this can be right like this. And we can pronounce it, you aren't, he is not, he isn't going to library. So both of them right. She is not, she isn't playing basketball. In question 4, am I playing football? Are you playing football? Is he going to library? Is she playing basketball? The use of this verb tense, the tense of verb as follow. If you want to say that something is happening at the time of speaking, We often use it with time expression, such as now or at the moment. I'm playing golf now. I'm writing an essay at the moment. It can be used also for temporary activity that is true now but may be not happening at the time of speaking. Time expressions such as today, this week, or this day. She can't go out today. She is preparing for an exam. You can't meet him this week. He is working in Bath. For a planned future arrangement, it can be used also for a planned future arrangement. The time of the action must be given in the sentence soon, tomorrow, on Monday, next week. I'm coming soon. We are leaving on Monday. She is starting next week.